Hello, this is really just a quick video to show you how to remove part of a design. So I'm just going to try and select that middle section of the design, the happy birthday, and I can't. So you go in here and you have a look and you go, no, it won't select. But these little icons here and this little arrow will arrow you through the design. So you can see, I don't know, I'll zoom in again. But at the moment it's selected the outside oval shape. And then if you move the arrow, you can see it's selected the happy birthday. And I'll just move that happy birthday. You can see that one's selected. Now that one's selected, and now that one's selected. If you cannot capture the object that you are looking for, go into this section, which is just in Edit, and move through the arrows. I actually want to delete that happy birthday. I've drawn it and now I want to cut the oval. I don't want to move the oval. I've got okay and I've deleted that. So that's how you do it with these two arrows here. So there's the happy birthday drawn and the oval cut out. See you next time. Bye.